Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to do SEO. If you've ever wondered how websites appear at the top of search engine results, you're in the right place. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving your website so it ranks higher on search engines like Google. In this video, we'll break down the basics, step by step, so you can start optimizing your own site. Whether you run a blog, an online store, or a business website, understanding SEO is essential for attracting more visitors. Let's start by exploring what SEO really means and why it matters for your online success. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of strategies and techniques aimed at increasing the visibility of your website in search engine results. When someone types a query into Google, the search engine uses complex algorithms to decide which websites to show first. By optimizing your site, you help search engines understand your content and rank it higher. This means more people can find your site, leading to more traffic and potential customers. SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that involves both technical and creative elements. You might be wondering, why should you care about SEO? The answer is simple. Most online experiences begin with a search engine. If your website doesn't appear on the first page of results, it's unlikely to get much traffic. Good SEO helps your site stand out among millions of others, making it easier for people to discover your content, products, or services. Plus, organic search traffic is free, unlike paid ads. Investing time in SEO can lead to long-term benefits, helping your website grow and succeed over time. To understand SEO, it helps to know how search engines work. Search engines like Google use bots to crawl the web, indexing pages, and analyzing their content. When a user enters a query, the search engine sorts through its index and displays the most relevant results. Factors like keywords, site structure, and backlinks all influence how your site is ranked. By optimizing these elements, you make it easier for search engines to find and understand your website, improving your chances of ranking higher. SEO can be divided into three main types: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of your website. Off-page SEO involves building authority through backlinks from other sites. Technical SEO ensures your website is easy for search engines to crawl and index. Each type plays a crucial role in your overall SEO strategy, and understanding the differences will help you create a balanced approach for better results. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. It involves finding the words and phrases people use when searching for information related to your website. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract visitors who are interested in your content or products. Start by brainstorming topics relevant to your site. Then use keyword research tools to discover popular search terms and their competition levels. Choose keywords that are both relevant and achievable for your site's current authority. Not all keywords are created equal. Some are highly competitive, making it hard for new websites to rank. Others are more specific, known as long-tail keywords, and are easier to target. Focus on keywords that match your audience's intent and have a reasonable search volume. By choosing the right mix of broad and long-tail keywords, you can increase your chances of ranking and attracting the right visitors to your site. On-page SEO refers to optimizing individual pages on your website to improve their search rankings. This includes using keywords naturally in your content, optimizing headings, and ensuring your pages are easy to read. On-page SEO also involves improving meta tags, images, and internal links. By focusing on these elements, you make your pages more attractive to both users and search engines, increasing your chances of ranking higher. Title tags and meta descriptions are crucial for on-page SEO. The title tag appears as the clickable headline in search results, while the meta description provides a brief summary of the page. Both should include your target keywords and accurately describe the content. Well-written titles and descriptions can improve your click-through rate, bringing more visitors to your site. Make sure each page has a unique title and description for the best results. Headings help organize your content and make it easier for both users and search engines to understand. Use H1 tags for your main title and H2 or H3 tags for subheadings. Include relevant keywords where appropriate, but avoid keyword stuffing. Well-structured headings improve readability and can boost your SEO by signaling the main topics of your page to search engines. High-quality content is at the heart of effective SEO. Search engines prioritize pages that provide valuable, original, and well-written information. Focus on creating content that answers your audience's questions and solves their problems. Use clear language, break up text with headings and bullet points, and include relevant images or videos. The better your content, the more likely people are to stay on your site and share it with others. Images can enhance your content, but they also need to be optimized for SEO. Use descriptive file names and add alt text that includes relevant keywords. This helps search engines understand what your images are about and can improve your chances of appearing in image search results. Additionally, compress images to reduce file size and improve page loading speed, which is another important ranking factor. Internal links connect different pages within your website. They help users navigate your site and allow search engines to discover more of your content. Use descriptive anchor text and link to relevant pages where it makes sense. A strong internal linking structure can improve your site's SEO by spreading authority and making it easier for search engines to crawl your site. With more people browsing the web on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly website is essential for SEO. Responsive design ensures your site looks and works well on all screen sizes. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites in its rankings, so make sure your pages load quickly and are easy to navigate on smartphones and tablets. Page speed is a key ranking factor for search engines. Slow-loading pages can frustrate users and lead to higher bounce rates. Optimize your website by compressing images, minimizing code, and using caching. Tools like Google Page Speed Insights can help you identify and fix speed issues. A faster website not only improves SEO, but also provides a better experience for your visitors. Security is another important aspect of SEO. Google favors websites that use HTTPS, which encrypts data and protects users. Make sure your site has an SSL certificate installed. Not only does this improve your search rankings, but it also builds trust with your visitors, showing them that their information is safe. Technical SEO involves optimizing the back end of your website to help search engines crawl and index your pages more efficiently. This includes creating an XML sitemap, using robots.txt to control crawling, and fixing broken links. Regularly check your site for technical issues and keep your software up to date. Good technical SEO lays the foundation for all your other optimization efforts. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all the important pages on your website. It helps search engines find and index your content more efficiently. Most website platforms can generate a sitemap automatically. Once created, submit your sitemap to Google Search Console to ensure your pages are being discovered and indexed properly. The robots.txt file tells search engines which pages or sections of your site they can or cannot crawl. This is useful for keeping certain pages private or preventing duplicate content from being indexed. Make sure your robots.txt file is set up correctly to avoid accidentally blocking important pages from search engines. Broken links can harm your SEO by making it harder for search engines to crawl your site and frustrating users. Regularly check your website for broken links and fix or remove them as needed. Tools like Google Search Console or online link checkers can help you identify and resolve these issues quickly. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority and reputation through external factors. The most important aspect is earning backlinks from other reputable websites. These links act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable. Other off-page SEO strategies include social media marketing and online reputation management. Backlinks are links from other websites to your own. They are a major ranking factor for search engines, as they indicate that others find your content valuable. Focus on earning high-quality backlinks from reputable sites in your industry. Avoid spammy or low-quality links, as these can harm your rankings instead of helping. There are many ways to earn backlinks. Create high-quality, shareable content that others want to reference. Reach out to industry influencers or bloggers for guest posting opportunities. Participate in relevant forums or online communities, and share your expertise. The key is to build genuine relationships and provide value, rather than just asking for links. While social media signals are not a direct ranking factor, having an active presence on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn can help drive traffic to your site and increase brand awareness. Sharing your content on social media can also lead to more backlinks as others discover and reference your work. Managing your online reputation is part of off-page SEO. Monitor what people are saying about your brand and respond to reviews or comments. Positive reviews can improve your credibility, while addressing negative feedback shows that you care about your customers. A strong reputation can lead to more trust, traffic, and even backlinks. If you have a local business, local SEO is essential. This involves optimizing your website and online presence to attract customers in your area. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing, use local keywords, and encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Local SEO helps your business show up in map results and local searches. Google My Business is a free tool that lets you manage how your business appears in Google Search and Maps. Fill out your profile completely, add photos, and keep your information up to date. Respond to reviews and post updates to engage with your local audience. A well-optimized listing can boost your visibility in local search results. Incorporate local keywords into your website content, such as your city or neighborhood name. This helps search engines connect your business with local searches. For example, instead of just coffee shop, use coffee shop in Brooklyn. Local keywords can improve your chances of appearing in relevant local search results. Positive customer reviews can boost your local SEO and attract more business. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on Google and other platforms. Respond to reviews to show you value feedback. The more positive reviews you have, the more likely new customers are to choose your business. Tracking your SEO performance is crucial to understanding what's working and where you can improve. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your traffic, rankings, and user behavior. Regularly review your data to identify trends and adjust your strategy as needed. Google Analytics is a free tool that tracks website traffic and user behavior. Set up Google Analytics on your site to see how visitors find and interact with your content. You can track which pages are most popular, where your traffic comes from, and how users navigate your site. This information helps you make informed decisions to improve your SEO. Google Search Console is another free tool that helps you monitor and maintain your site's presence in Google search results. It shows which queries bring users to your site, how your pages are performing, and any issues that need fixing. Use Search Console to submit sitemaps, check for errors, and optimize your site's visibility. Regular analysis helps you understand which SEO strategies are working and which need improvement. Look at your rankings for target keywords, traffic sources, and user engagement metrics. Identify pages that are performing well and those that need more attention. Use these insights to refine your SEO strategy and achieve better results over time. There are many SEO tools available to help beginners get started. Popular options include Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or SEMrush. These tools can help you find keywords, track rankings, and analyze your competition. Start with free tools and explore paid options as your needs grow. Even beginners can avoid common SEO mistakes. Don't stuff your content with keywords or use duplicate content. Avoid buying backlinks or using black hat tactics, as these can lead to penalties. Focus on providing value to your audience and following best practices for sustainable, long-term results. SEO is constantly evolving as search engines update their algorithms. Stay informed by following reputable SEO blogs, attending webinars, and joining online communities. Regularly update your knowledge and adapt your strategies to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. User experience UX is closely linked to SEO. Search engines want to provide the best results for users, so they favor websites that are easy to use and navigate. Focus on clear layouts, fast loading times, and mobile-friendly design. The better the experience for your visitors, the more likely they are to stay, engage, and return. Search engines prefer websites that are regularly updated with fresh content. Keep your site active by adding new blog posts, updating existing pages, and removing outdated information. Fresh content signals to search engines that your site is relevant and worth ranking higher. If you run an online store, SEO is crucial for attracting customers and increasing sales. Optimize product pages with unique descriptions, use high-quality images, and include relevant keywords. Make sure your site structure is easy to navigate, and encourage customer reviews to build trust and authority. Bloggers can benefit greatly from SEO. Focus on writing high-quality, informative posts that target specific keywords. Use engaging headlines, add internal and external links, and include images or videos to enhance your content. Regularly update your blog to keep it fresh and relevant for both users and search engines. Small businesses can compete with larger companies by focusing on local SEO and niche keywords. Build a strong online presence with a well-optimized website, active social media profiles, and positive customer reviews. Consistency and quality are key to building authority and attracting local customers. Content marketing and SEO go hand in hand. Create valuable, shareable content that attracts links and engages your audience. Use SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines and promote it through social media and email marketing. The more value you provide, the more likely your content is to rank and be shared. Analytics are essential for measuring your SEO success. Track key metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, and conversion rates. Use this data to identify what's working and where you can improve. Regular analysis helps you make informed decisions and achieve better results over time. To sum up, follow SEO best practices for the best results. Focus on creating high-quality content, optimizing your website structure, and building authority through backlinks. Stay up to date with the latest trends and always prioritize the needs of your users. Consistency and patience are key to long-term SEO success. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our beginner's guide to SEO. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. Start by applying the basics you've learned today and continue to refine your strategy as you gain experience. With time, effort, and the right approach, you'll see your website climb the search rankings and attract more visitors. Good luck on your SEO journey.